Let's do that again, given that I didn't press the record button. There's the 70mm M800, the 70mm A810S, the 70mm T800, Viofo A329, and then the 70mm X800. And it's looking around, it's checking us out. I think something's a bit sus. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So it's in sentinel mode. It's being charged, or it's being run via the battery, 70mm battery, which is there. I've got a bit of cabling to clean up, more still. It's been a bit of a headache, to be honest, all the cables. And then rear cameras. That's connected to the 800 to the A810. And then in the back there, we've got 4K 70mm, and then these 2.5K Viofo. And I may even get to put some other dash cams on the rear window before I head off. The time is against me because it's 3:30, 4:35. It's going to be 5:30 before I get down to the island, and I want to actually mow today. I don't want to mow tomorrow because it's going to be very hot. Anyway, we'll see. And you can see that piece of wood across the front of the car. That was supposed to give me a reference for the cameras, but because the sun's shining in the windscreen, it didn't really work too well. It just blinded me trying to see what's going on. There we go. 2 minutes of video, good.